In this video, we have a compass and a magnet. We're going to place materials of different types between the magnet and the compass and see what happens. We'll begin with a few non-magnetic materials like a matchbox. So when you place a matchbox, you see no deflection in the compass, right? Okay, what if I placed a small box of petroleum jelly? That's Vaseline. Let me place it. Yep. Again, no deflection, right? Okay, what if I placed a larger cardboard box in between the compass and the magnet? Again, no deflection, right? What if I change the direction in which I've placed it? Again, no deflection in the compass, right? But what if I now bring a magnetic material, like a metallic material that gets attracted to a magnet and place it in between the compass and the magnet? Let me bring a metallic bottle cap. Now there's a deflection, right? What if I remove the bottle cap now? That would also cause a deflection, right? Beautiful. So that shows that with non-magnetic materials, there's no effect, there's no deflection, but with magnetic materials like metallic materials, there is a deflection in the compass. Okay, great. What if I remove the magnet from its position? What happens? Can you predict it? Well, the moment I remove the magnet from its position, the compass will go back to its original north-south position. The compass was being held in that position by the magnet. That's it for this video. Thank you.